In a sun-drenched meadow, Mother Pig stands proudly with her 3 piglets. Pip enthusiastically rolls in the mud, enjoying the cool earth. Pop strums a cheerful tune on his ukulele, seemingly carefree. Prudence adjusts her glasses, her gaze fixed on the task ahead. Mother Pig, it's time for you to build your own homes. Remember, hard work is the key. Pip quickly builds a straw house in the daylight. Pip finishes his straw house and settles inside. Pip peeks out of the window with a contented look.
Hello, little adventurers. I'm Jessie Jetsy, your guide. Are you ready to explore the world together? Then let's go, my friends. Today, my friends are heading out on a camping trip deep in the forest. The sun is shining brightly as Liam, Emma, Noah, Olivia, and Ava arrive in the forest. Liam kicks a soccer ball happily, eager to play after setting up camp. Emma is ready to explore the flowers and trees nearby, playing with a butterfly. Noah carries a small gadget, curious about the weather and nature's secrets. Olivia holds a science book, prepared to share interesting facts with her friends. Ava's looking at colorful pictures with cute animals around her. What a perfect day for an outdoor adventure. I'm really enjoying it. Liam and Emma are enjoying the sunshine while chatting.
How to create an AI video with magiclight, a step-by-step guide. This guide will walk you through the entire process of creating an animated video from a simple text script using the magiclight platform, as shown in the video. Step 1. Start your project. From the main dashboard, begin by clicking on the plus input text button under the Create Video section to start a new project. Step 2. Write your story and choose a style. Enter a title. Give your project a clear and descriptive title. Write the story. In the story field, type or paste your script. Important, the AI creates a new scene for every sentence that ends with a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. Select a style. Scroll down and choose a visual style for your video from the available options, e.g. comic, realistic, anime, 3D cartoon. Click the next button to proceed. Step 3. Define your characters. Auto-detect. The software will automatically detect the characters named in your script. Customize characters. Click on each character's profile one by one. From the character library, select a visual appearance that best fits your character. Save. Click Save after customizing each character. Once all characters are set, click Next to move to the storyboard. Step 4. Build and refine your storyboard. Auto-generated storyboard. The system will generate a basic storyboard with placeholder poses for each scene from your script. Adjust shots. Review each scene. If you want to change the camera angle or character pose, click on the scene's storyboard panel and select a better option from the search results on the right. Edit on-screen characters. You can also click Edit Characters to adjust their position in the scene, e.g. left or right, or change which characters appear. Step 5. Generate the visuals. Generate. Once you are satisfied with the storyboard layout, click the yellow Generate button at the top. Review. The AI will now create the final fully styled images for each scene based on your script, character models, and storyboard choices. Regenerate. Optional. Look through the generated visuals. If you're not pleased with a specific image, you can click the Regenerate button on that scene to get a new version. You can also go back and edit storyboard if needed. Step 6. Animate your scenes. For each scene, you have 2 primary animation options. Animate. This adds subtle, natural movement to the entire scene. Lip sync. For scenes with dialogue, click lip sync to make the speaking character's mouth move in time with their lines. Step 7. Preview and publish your video. Preview. After finalizing all scenes and animations, click the video preview button in the top right corner. Render. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click video preview again to begin rendering the final video. Publish. Once the video is generated, I put this great video design tool in the description. Please experience it.